It's a shape of five sides.
It's a shape, but so is this. That's a shape.
Of five sides?
Okay, let's see. One says 5 sides. Shape. What else?
All the sides are the same length.
Angles. Ah! Same length sides. Okay? This one's a very good one. It's a shape. Yes.
A shape that could fit in a circle. Well, it could be.
Is there anything that can't fit in a circle?
Well, technically, the shape would be like triangles. So different triangles.
That can be. Maybe the five side thing is not right.
No? Okay.
5 sides, 5 triangles.
It could be from 3 to 6 sides.
It could be from 3 to 6.
It could be
Okay.
more.
So it can't be 8.
Until
3 or
12.
more.
More.
It could be until
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. 3
It's
or
3 or more.
more sides. Very good. Now we're getting somewhere. 3 or more. A shape with 3 or more sides that have angles. What else does it have to have? If it's got angles, it's got to have something. Eventually. Something along the lines of that.
Nine with.
Guys, if it's got angles, how do you make an angle?
You made it by cosine and sine.
No, hombre.
Pi.
How do you make an angle? How do you make an angle?
With 2 lines.
With 2 what type of lines like this?
Straight
Horizontal.
line.
Ah!
Straight.
Straight lines. Straight lines. Made of straight lines. Question. Is this a polygon?
No.
Why not?
Because it doesn't have
Because
eight
it has
sides.
no straight line.
Okay. So how about this one? This one's got straight lines.
Yes.
Is that a polygon?
No.
No, why not?
Because it technically has just 2 sides.
Because that's
It
our.
has 4 sides. Can we consider this a side? Can we consider this curvy thing a side?
That's 2 sides. Yeah, no.
3 or more sides, so this one has 3 or more sides. This one has 1, 2, 3 or more. The problem is this one. Doesn't this cause like mental problems for you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's not straight.
Because it's not straight. And if it's not straight, can we define it as a side?
No.
It's like, go to the round side. What part of the round? It's like, what do you do with a round side? So this one is not a polygon because it's got to have straight lines. Only straight lines. So this one's not a polygon. This is not true either. How about this? Is this a polygon?
No.
Triangle.
No. Why not?
Because it.
You need to close the.
It can't
Like
overlap.
they all like on a like a point of
It
Okay.
can't overlap another.
Ah! So only straight lines that
Overlap.
don't intersect inside the polygon, right? Because they will intersect. I mean, this one goes from here to here. Straight line segments. See how it gets? Line segments that don't, because this one is going to intersect with this one here. But they shouldn't intersect inside with other ones. Okay? So, how about this one? There. They're all straight. They don't intersect.
Miss.
Has to close.
Miss.
Ah! Good, it has to close. Okay. It has to close. Has to close. So, for this to be a polygon, there. That's a polygon, right? It closed. Sort of. Yes. Now, what is a regular polygon?
When all the sides are the same.
When what?
Triangle.
It is a shape
Oh.
with 3 or more sides that don't intersect inside. They all have the same length
Same.
and they are all closed. Okay? same length? Do they also have the same, is this a regular polygon?
No.
No. Is this one a regular polygon? Sort of. Kind of. How about this one?
Yes.
It's not close. Yes.
I can't draw very well without a ruler. Okay. You got the idea, okay? Now, is it clear? Now, can you please, when you want, do you know what one of the habits of mind is to say what you mean and mean what you say? Like use the right words to define stuff? Do you remember it's one of those? In math, it is extremely important that you define things really, really well. Because if you just say, it's got 3 sides. It? What is it? When you say it, because you referred to something before, right? So it's a shape. Awesome. A shape with 3 or more sides. Okay? But then that wouldn't be a polygon. A regular polygon. That would just be a polygon, right? We good? Bye. So now, regular polygons. We define that they all have the same size. If, let's say I've got this one, or this one. All of this is being filmed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a good thing I haven't said anything nasty. Okay. If I have these regular, let's assume they're regular. Okay. Regular polygons are all made up of what smaller shape? Or what small? They're all, you see that, right? They're all here. So we've got a triangle here. Actually, we'll do it this way. Since they're regular, I'm going to put something in the middle. And I've got, and if it's a regular polygon, all these triangles are going to be the exact same size. Okay? This one here. And they're all going to be at least isosceles. Isosceles. What's an isosceles triangle? Just remind me.
A triangle with the same sides.
Like all the sides are
Two sides.
2 sides are the same.
Two sides the same. 2 sides are equal. Okay. So we can say that this one and this one's the same. This one, they're all the same, right? They're all isosceles. If they're all isosceles and it goes the same, right? It means that I can draw the height from the center to down here, and this will be my base and this will be my height, correct? And this will form a right triangle, and this will be half of this, correct? If they're isosceles. If they're not isosceles, that doesn't happen. And you can, let's say this angle is theta, how much is this one going to be? Theta halves, right? Because since they're isosceles, the height is going to split it right down the middle. Okay. Is all of that clear? Is it like obvious and makes sense? Okay, so what type of problem are you going to get in this lesson? Look at example 73.1. It says, find the area and the perimeter of a regular pentagon, and they're nice enough to tell you that a pentagon has 5 sides. Penta means 5, which is why the pentathlon has how many sports? 5. The hexagon or hexathlon has
6,
hepta, octa,
8,
nona,
9,
deca,
10,
dodeca,
11,
dodeca,
12,
undeca.
11.
Okay. Does that make sense? Okay. So this one is a pentagon with 5 sides, so it's that one. Oh, how convenient. And then it says, inscribe in a circle whose radius is 6 units. So I'm going to erase all of this because I don't want to draw this again because this is a really good pentagon. Okay. So it says that it's inscribed in a circle. If it were, by the way, when it's a regular polygon, all the vertices touch a circle, okay? This one obviously is not regular because it doesn't touch a circle if it's a well-made circle, but let's pretend it's a well-made circle and a well-made pentagon, okay? So, It tells me that the radius is 6. Where would I put that radius? In the red ones. Very good. The red ones would be the radius, meaning that this is 6 for all of them, right? But I'm only going to take this one. I'm going to take it out, and I know that this is 6 and this is 6. Can I find out the area of that little triangle?
Yes.
How? Not yet. But I also know that how much would all the angles add up to?
360.
360, right? Because they're all in a circle. So how much is this angle?
70.
Is it 72? How did you get 72?
360 divided by 5.
360 divided by 5. And that gives you 72.
Yeah.
So that means that this angle here is 72 degrees, okay? So I'm gonna go a step further and I'm gonna split this in half. So I've got the height, right? And this is, we'll call it x halves and x halves. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna grab the triangle, I'm gonna make it larger, and I know that this one here is how much? 36, because I split it in 2. This is x halves, this is 6, and this is h. Can I find out h or x halves?
Yes.
How?
Cosine and sine.
Cosine and sine. Because it would be the cosine of 36 will be what? H over 6. What's the only thing I don't know?
H.
H. Please someone find H.
4.85.
Huh?
4.85.
4.85. Is it clear how I got to 4.85, or do you want me to do the whole thing? It's good? Okay. You leave H by itself. And remember, this is a number, right? This is not multiplying. The 36 is not multiplying the cosine. The cosine by itself means nothing, okay? So I've got the H. Can I find this one out?
Yes.
2 ways.
6 sine 36.
2 different ways. Which 2 different ways? Pythagoras. But what if I got the H wrong? If I got the H wrong, I'm going to get this one wrong too. So I would not go there, and I would do it with sine.
6 sine.
Sine of
36.
36 equals x over 2, weird, over 6. So 6 sine over of 36 times 2 equals x, right? Yeah? How much is x?
7.05.
7? 7.05. Okay.
No.
Yeah. No, yeah, I got-
Huh? Is that correct?
I got that.
Did everybody get that? Yeah? We're good. Fine. 7.05. So that means that I can go back here and my triangle now, if it's x is 7.05, so all of this is 7.05. And my h is 4.85. So what is my triangle? I don't have anything for you. So what is the area of my triangle?
Sine, no, base times height over 2
Base times 4.85
over 2
over 2.
times.
That's just the area of one triangle,
Okay.
right? And the area of my pentagon
Times 5.
is going to be 5 times the area of my triangle. Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
And the perimeter will be 5 times 7.05. Right? Because it's 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Good? Really easy, right? Okay. Questions?
Can you move it big?
Yes, I can.